What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and when we think about games, or more specifically, gaming skills, that's exactly what's most important. That's the thing that will drive you to success. But to a certain degree, the hardware you're using does matter. So this video is actually a sequel to a video we did last year, where a noob with a gaming smartphone, aka Miguel T, took on a more experienced player using a potato setup, which was Wax. This time we're doing the same exact thing, except now we have a new game to try out, specifically Garena Free Fire, which is one of the most popular first-person games in the entire world. Aside from that, the players are different too. Now in the noob corner, we have actually the guy behind the YugaTech gaming channel. We have the one and only Enzo Angeles. Enzo, how are you feeling today?
Feeling good, Joey. Feeling good.
Alright, so while Enzo absolutely loves video games, which he should because, you know, he's running the YugaTech gaming channel, he actually hasn't really played Free Fire like ever. Did you just download this yesterday?
Yep, just started playing yesterday, man.
Yeah, and when it comes to FPS games, Enzo loves them, but skill-wise, how would you rate yourself? Would you say you're around average or slightly below average?
Probably below average.
Alright, so he says he's below average, but because of this, Enzo has been given the advantage in terms of hardware as he's going to be equipped with the Huawei Y7a. The Huawei Y7a has a Kirin 710A chipset and 4GB of RAM, which will ensure that the game will run very smoothly. He's going to have the frames per second advantage and of course the input advantage as well, since Garena Free Fire is made for mobile, and if you're playing a mobile game, you better be playing on a touchscreen. You guys will see why in a minute. Now in the other corner, we have the challenger, the one and only Josh De Leon. What's up, Josh?
What's up, Joey? How are you doing? I'm pretty good today.
Doing well, doing well. Now, guys, Josh has been playing Free Fire for quite a long time. How long have you been playing?
Probably when this released, maybe 4-5 years ago, actually. Yeah.
That's a lot of experience. So
yeah.
But aside from Free Fire, he's also a very seasoned first-person shooter player with experience in many different titles. But given how long he's been playing Free Fire, it's not a stretch to say that Free Fire is one of his specialties. Now, to balance this out, since Josh is the more experienced player, he will have a handicap. So just like last time, he's going to be using our patent pending Potato Setup 5000, which is basically just a gaming PC that's running a program called Nox Player. Nox Player is an Android emulator that we're going to be using to run Free Fire. Now, this might be a pretty powerful gaming PC, but look here. It's a handicap because we're only allowing Nox Player to use the lowest possible amount of system resources. So, because of this, his FPS are gonna be quite low. Gameplay is gonna be quite choppy, and in terms of experience, Enzo's certainly gonna have the advantage in that area. Next handicap, Josh will also be using a controller. No keyboard and mouse allowed because, as we all know, that gives you a definite advantage in an FPS game. This is a mobile game, which means that if Josh wants to aim, he actually has to aim first and then stop moving and then fire his weapon. Again, because this game was made for a touchscreen. Alright, so guys, boys, do you have anything to say to each other before we start?
Enzo? Is there anything you'd like to say before you go down?
I'm not going down. You're going down, Josh.
Okay. Well,
what the heck are you talking about?
We'll find out. We'll find out then.
We will,
So,
Josh. We will.
Shall we start?
Alright, that's enough of that. The setup has been established. Boys, we're not together in person this time, so you want to give each other a virtual handshake?
We'll just shake on that. I'm just gonna...
Right?
Yeah, I'll shake for you.
Am I
No-
doing
no
it right,
worries.
Joey? Is this what you're
Yeah.
talking about?
Just,
Alright. Let's get to the game now. The rules are simple. Again, this is going to be a 1v1, of course. There's only 2 of them. But it's going to be a best of 7 series, which means whoever gets to 4 wins first wins the entire series. And whoever gets killed loses the round. Whoever gets the kill wins the round. That's simple. Best of 7 series. Without any further ado, I think, boys, it's time to start the game.
Alright. Okay.
Enzo, we are here. This is
Yep,
our time to shine. But I'm afraid I'm gonna have to take you out of the picture because I believe I'm gonna be the one winning. So,
We'll see about that, Josh.
We'll see about
see
that
about that.
indeed. Right.
You're pretty much hyping yourself up because I know inside you're scared. You're really scared.
You're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. Sige
Thanks.
nga.
Only you and my mom
Yeah.
has said that.
You're welcome then.
Thanks, Josh.
Very welcome.
For a
Like
trash
that.
talker, you're pretty nice.
Likewise. There we go.
The action
Roll out.
Man, I like that beat to it.
See? You hear that?
No, I hear absolutely
This
nothing.
is a warning shot.
A what?
Come on, best out of 7, and so you only get this one chance. I've been playing this for
Found you.
how long?
But-
Oh, you shouldn't have said that. You shouldn't have said that at all.
Right.
Oh!
Oh boy, that was pretty easy, Josh. What the heck?
You know why? Because I'm
Is that
taking
what
it,
an ex-
I'm taking it easy on you. Plus this handicap thing. If you were in my shoes and you tried this, oh man, you know what I'm
You got
talking
a
about.
lot of excuse, Josh. You got a lot of excuses.
Excuses, huh?
I thought experience is everything.
Experience is everything, but if you're tied down to this potato setup with this controller, and if it's something meant for, oh my god! See that? Oh, okay. Too
Keep
much talking, huh?
Josh.
Too much talk,
Keep
huh?
on
Alright,
talking.
alright. I see your strategy right there. I see that. Pretty dirty strategy, Enzo. I'm not gonna let you get me alive, sonny boy. How the baloney do I get this?
The graphics are actually pretty good.
Alright, let me get the You know where I
Come
am?
on, Josh.
I know where you are.
And not really, Josh. Are you cheating? Come on, let's do this mano y mano.
Mano y
Come on,
mano,
settle
huh?
this like men.
Man, huh? Funny you
With our
talk.
fist.
Funny you talk like that, bro. Don't talk like men. Settle this like men. Sige nga. Tan ka nga. Kung tunay na lalaki ka.
Come on.
Pakita ka.
Meet you by the dumpster, bro.
Meet you by the gift pack.
Oh crap, there you are. Oh crap. Gotta hide. Okay. You take Josh out. It's pretty easy. Oh crap, got me there.
Think that's easy?
That's easy, Josh.
Mm.
Oh! Reloaded. Oh crap, did I get the booster? Oh crap!
Screw your booster.
Got. Ah!
I got you.
Oh!
Got
No!
this? You like that? You like that?
No, I don't like it, Josh. I don't like getting shot at. It's not a nice thing.
Oh!
Oh! I'm gonna try to beat him up with my fists.
Woo! And down. Oh!
That was your sniper, bro.
Playing with you real good.
I don't want to lose my gun. That's really nice stickers. Oh! Where you at, Josh? Oh no! No!
See that?
Got me pretty
With
clean
handicap. Chilling in fear, I bet.
no. Not scared at all, Josh. Not
Hindi,
scared
di ka
at
naman
all.
marunong mag-free fire eh.
Yeah, but I'm leading.
Yeah, only because you have that phone. I have this potato
Only
setup
because-
over here.
Potato.
How do you like
Oh,
that?
That's not a shotgun. I thought I got a shotgun. This is bad. This is bad, boys.
Keep running, boy.
This
Keep
is
running,
bad.
boy.
For a person who plays this, your aim is pretty bad.
Did you just insult me? Doesn't feel like it. Shit.
Why do
Check
I see
this out.
tears in your eyes, man? Oh, found you.
Oh!
check what out, Josh?
Alright. I will give you
Bam!
that.
Really now.
You're going down. You're going down, boy.
Josh. I feel like in the handicap wise, we're pretty much fair.
No, one win left, huh? For you. Let's see if I could catch up.
Yeah. Hey, what did the baby tomato say to the older tomato?
Did you just call my
Catch
potato
up.
setup a tomato setup?
Yeah, because you need to catch up.
Not funny, Enzo. Not funny. Huh. Oh,
Hey, you just told me I was funny. Come on,
not
Josh.
funny at all.
Oh crap. Oh man, I can feel the carpal tunnel within me. Oh crap, got you in the knee. You're supposed. Oh crap. Oh. My helmet. You. That was oh, is that a flamethrower?
No.
What? It looked like a flamethrower. Oh! Right in my butt.
Now, Yuga boy. Let's see if you could win against moi.
What? What are you, French now?
I can be whatever I want to be.
No, you can't.
No, you can't, because you can't win.
No, you can't, Josh.
Oh.
You can't.
Okay.
I know what you can be. A loser. Where you at, Josh?
Wala ka na maghanap kung ano, kung wala. Wala nga eh. Nahanapin mo pa. Oh, iba talaga yun.
Where you at?
1 minute.
Where you
1 minute
at,
and I gotta
Joshua?
put a
We
bullet.
only have a minute.
Gotta put a bullet in your head.
What the heck was that? Ooh, got you there. Got you there. Oh, why aren't you dying?
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah, boy!
20 seconds.
Catch up, Joe.
No! Nah! It's a match! It's a tie! 5-5!
What? It's not finished yet?
Alright. Fine, I
That was
could.
the last round. That didn't make any sense.
Oh!
It's a
Look,
draw.
we have a draw! Sayang.
So there we have it, guys. Enzo has won the game. How are you feeling, sir?
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good, actually.
And Josh, as the loser of this match, what do you have to say to your opponent? Do you want to give him some congratulations?
Okay, fine. Congratulations, Enzo. You won versus my potato setup. But I still commend you for how well you played and how you just got me there, you know?
Alright, there we have it, guys. Now, this might not be the result every time, but yet again, even in the sequel to last year's video, the man with the smartphone that can game wins it all. So if you guys are looking for a phone that you just saw handles a game like Free Fire pretty flawlessly, then do consider the Huawei Y7a. With its Kirin 710A chipset, 4GB of RAM, nice big screen, and huge 5000 mAh battery. Yo, Enzo, did you say
Yeah,
you've been playing
dude.
since yesterday and it's only at
Well,
50%?
right now it's at 43%, but you know,
But like, it's been more than 24
excellent
hours,
battery
right?
life, bro.
That's crazy. Guys, it also has an affordable price, very affordable price of 8,999 pesos. And for all of that, it's a very excellent option for gaming. And as you can see, if you're looking for an affordable gaming phone and you're interested in playing Free Fire, then you just saw how well it just performs. Also guys, Huawei has just launched its official e-commerce platform, the Huawei Store. Here you can shop all authentic Huawei products without any worries, as every transaction is safe. You can also pay any way you want. There's cash on delivery, credit cards, and e-wallets like GCash, Alipay, or WeChat. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to check out the Huawei store to buy all of your favorite Huawei devices and sign up now to redeem your 500 peso voucher. Tell your friends and family as well, we'll put the link in the description. But that's not all, we're also going to share with you guys an ongoing promotion from Free Fire. With Free Fire, everyone can win. Free Fire has double prizes just for you. Hit the win button for the chance to win one of these awesome prizes. But that's not all, as you also have a 250 peso gift pack to claim. Just tap the Claim Now button and follow the instructions to redeem the gift pack. This promo is going on until December 20, so you guys better get at it. The link for all of this is in the description. Now back to the video. And that wraps up this video. Now, what do you guys think about the Huawei Y7a? Let us know in the comments down below. And boys, do you want to take over the outro?
Sure, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews.
Don't forget to subscribe to YugaTech Gaming.
Okay, this has been Josh.
It's been Enzo.
And Joey, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.